Today, I want to show you how to make a lot of money on Instagram using AI. And the best part is, it's totally free. You don't have to pay a dime for it. You can easily set up your own money-making machine. First step is to head over to this website, links in the description. Sign up or just click on Google like I did and choose your email. Then, hit Create Short Video. Here, you'll select Instagram Reels. Now, write your story. I wrote, a girl wants to dance at a party but doesn't know how. You can give instructions for the video, like adding subtitles, putting background music, or setting the language for the video. I also added a watermark to my video. After that, just hit the Generate button. It'll take a little bit of time, and then your video will be ready. Let's check out the video it made.
The only one that didn't know how to dance at parties. You step out ready to bust a move, but your feet, total rebels. Suddenly, it's as if your limbs have a mind of their own. Lesson learned, practicing in front of the mirror is a must.
Here, you can download it in whatever quality you want. Just keep in mind that the site's name has to be on the video. If you don't want that, you'll need to buy a subscription. Now, let me tell you how to make money with this on Instagram. First, create a page and upload a bunch of these videos. Trust me, after a little while, you'll start getting views. It's not hard at all. You just need to come up with a short story for the AI to make a video for you. So basically, AI does all the work. Here are two ways to make money. One way is to charge for ads from other pages or websites and post them on your page. This can bring in good money. The other way is to earn directly from Instagram. You know those descriptions you've probably seen? Those are ads that Instagram gives to your videos. They pay you for each post, and you can make some really great income from it. If you like videos like this, give this one a thumbs up.